realities of playing the violin. The violin hickey is not for everyone. So a lot of people think na yung mark dito, usually parang black spot on a violinist is a mark that you've already given enough time and effort in order for you to be considered a good violinist. No, hindi lahat nagkakaroon no. Number one, it's because not everyone has the same jawline. No, syempre katulad ko mataba. I've been playing for over 23, 24 years pero never ako nagkaroon ng mark dito, no? So another thing is nagkakaroon yung iba nun because of improper actually placement. Yung iba akala nila it's a mark of like being a good musician, but in reality mali lang pala yung technique na ginagawa nila. So it causes some marks, tapos yung iba nagkakaroon ng allergies din, no? So there's a lot of reasons to get that mark, but it's not a mark that is needed in order for you to be considered a good violinist, no? So nagkakaroon nga nun because of a lot of factors. Yung jawline mo, maybe your positioning of your chin rest, no, kung saan mo nilalagay yung chin rest, even the quality of the chin rest. I've had colleagues who had allergies pala with certain types of wood, certain types of varnishes. So nagkakaroon sila ng allergies, kaya lumalala yung mark nila dito. Yung iba sobrang laki, yung iba namamaga, yung iba tumitigas. So it's not really something you should look for, or maybe kung nagkakaroon ka, try to assess then. Maybe it's a playing position issue, maybe you are allergic to some material. So hanapin mo din, because it's not really needed, no? It just happens to come with the material or with the playing. Pero ako, I've never had it, and I think that explains why, because of how big I am. Anyway, yan. So follow for more, and I'll see you on the next one.